Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on sharing Bold BI dashboards and data sources. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to share Bold BI dashboards and data sources with other Bold BI users. To share published dashboards with other users, first, you have to create a dashboard using the Bold BI Dashboard Designer and publish it. I have already created a personal expense analysis dashboard using the Dashboard Designer. So I just have to click the Publish button in the toolbar. And now the dashboard is published successfully. After publishing the dashboard, you can share and manage permissions for this dashboard by clicking the Share icon in the title bar. You can see the Share with Others dialog prompted. Let me explain the options displayed here. Before that, I will explain how to make the Bold BI dashboards public and private. To make the dashboard public or private, click the Dashboard Setting option. Then, enable the Allow option to mark the dashboard as public or private, and click Save to save the configuration. These settings will be available only to the administrator of the Bold BI domain. Let me refresh the page to update the settings in my dashboard. Now, you can make the dashboard access mode either public or private. Private dashboards are accessible to the registered users in Bold BI who have appropriate permissions. Public dashboards are accessible to anonymous users who have the dashboard link. Let me choose the public option. You can get the dashboard link from here and share it with other users in your domain. If the dashboard is public, anyone with this link will be able to view its contents. If the dashboard is private, anyone with this link can navigate to the dashboard, but only users with the appropriate permissions will be able to view its contents. Now, let me explain about the dashboard's embedding option available to embed this dashboard in any web application. To do this, you can get the embed code available here. Before copying this HTML code, you can update this code by enabling the dashboard comments, widget comments, views, and export options available as needed. After updating the code, you can copy and use this code to render the dashboard in any web application. To learn more about embedding Bold BI dashboards in any web application, you can check out our video, Getting Started with Embedded BI, and click the link in this video's description. Let me show you how to share this dashboard with users and groups and manage permissions. Select one or more users and groups to share this dashboard by typing the name of the users or groups. You can also set access modes for the selected users or groups and share the dashboard by clicking Share. Once shared, you'll get an email notification like this, along with the dashboard link. In the Manage Access section, you can view the list of users and groups who have permissions to view the Personal Expense Analysis dashboard. If necessary, dashboard owners can remove the shared dashboard permissions using the Remove option. You can also get the dashboard link, embed code, and share the dashboard to users and groups from Manage Access dialog as discussed earlier. Information on how to add users and groups, access modes available, permission entity, and scope details in managing permissions is covered in a separate video called Managing Users, Groups, and Permissions, the link of which will be available in this video's description. Bold BI dashboards also have support to create and share dashboard views. It has various options to explore the data using filters, grid selections, or drill downs. Let me show you how to apply a filter to this dashboard and share the filtered view to other users in the Bold BI domain. I'll filter the Personal Expense Analysis dashboard based on the month February. Now, you can see the applied filters for this dashboard under the Filtered Overview section, available in the title bar. Click the Save button and provide a name for this view. Now, this filtered view has been saved successfully, and you can see the saved views in the View option available in the title bar. The Save View, share this view by clicking the Share button, is here. You can also share the dashboard filtered view without saving as views. Let me apply the filter to this dashboard again. Now, you can directly share the current state of the dashboard by clicking the Get Link option available here. Copy the link and share it with other users to view the filtered view of the dashboard. We have seen the available options to share the Personal Expense Analysis dashboard from the Dashboard Designer after it was published. Now let's see the share option available in the home page and related options provided to share a dashboard with other users. Go to the home page of Bold BI. The dashboard listing panel contains a list of dashboards available in my domain. You can share each dashboard by clicking the share icon available on the dashboard. You can also share the selected dashboard as explained earlier using this share dialog. You can make the dashboard public and private by clicking the context menu of the selected dashboard, i.e. Make Public or Make Private option. Previously, I had marked the Personal Expense Analysis dashboard as public, so the Make Private option is visible now. If needed, you can change by clicking it. Only the user who created this dashboard and the administrator will have the share and make public or private options visible and can share the dashboard with other Bold BI users. You can get the dashboard link available in the context menu as Get Link and share the selected dashboard with other users. If the dashboard is marked as public, it will be available for all users. You can view the public dashboards in the dashboard listing panel by selecting the public option from the filter drop-down. Dashboards are always organized into categories in Bold BI. By default, all categories that contains a list of dashboards will be displayed in the listing panel. Clicking each will filter the dashboards under the category in the listing panel. Instead of providing share and managing permissions to individual dashboards, you can also provide permission to a specific category. Let me click the setting icon on the Cells category and choose Sharing Permissions option, which is used to set permission for a selected category to be shared with other users. As shown earlier, you can set the access mode for the selected users or groups and click the Share button to share the dashboards under the selected category. You can also add new users by entering the name or email address in the Users drop-down. Then click Add. Under the Shared With tab, you can view the details of the users and groups' shared permissions that you have provided for the selected categories. We have seen the available options to share dashboards from the home page and all categories that hold the list of dashboards. Finally, let's see how to share data sources with the other users in Bold BI. To do this, navigate to the Data Sources module. The Data Sources page displays a list of data sources that you have created to connect your dashboards. You can share this data source by clicking the kebab menu available on the right and choosing the Sharing Permissions option. After the sharing dialog is prompted, you can share the data source with users and groups by selecting from the Permissions Access mode and clicking the Share button. Only the users who had created the data source and the administrator can share the data source with other Bold BI users. In this tutorial, we have shown all the sharing options available in Bold BI. We have also gone over sharing a dashboard published from the Dashboard Designer and homepage and sharing categories and data sources to other Bold BI users. We have documentation for sharing dashboards and data sources. You can find the links in the video description. Also, please leave a comment below for any clarifications or if there are any other additional features you'd like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.